Imagine zooming through space toward a newborn star, wrapped in a huge swirling disk of gas and dust. This is a protoplanetary disk, the cosmic nursery where planets like Earth begin their long journey of formation. Inside the disk, tiny grains of rock and ice drift and collide. Static electricity makes some of them stick together, forming fluffy clumps. Bit by bit, they grow from dust specks into pebble-sized building blocks of future planets. As pebbles grow, gravity starts to help. Clumps pull in nearby material, becoming planetesimals, rocky and icy bodies kilometers wide. They move on slightly different paths, sometimes passing peacefully, sometimes crashing together. Collisions can be violent. Some smash planetesimals apart, others fuse them into larger protoplanets, like cosmic snowballs. Over millions of years, a few bodies become giants, clearing paths through the disk as they grow. Far from the star where it is colder, growing cores capture thick layers of gas, forming gas giants. Closer in, where gas is thinner and hotter, rocky worlds emerge. The disk slowly thins as material is eaten, blown away, or falls inward. Newborn planets reshape the disk. Their gravity carves gaps and spiral waves, like grooves in a record. Streams of dust and gas fall onto these worlds, feeding them, while leftover material forms rings, belts, and smaller bodies. Eventually, the gas fades and the disk disappears. What remains is a fresh planetary system. Planets on stable orbits, belts of asteroids and comets, and a central star. It looks peaceful, but it was shaped by chaos and countless impacts. When we observe young stars with disks today, we are watching this process in action. Each disk could be building rocky worlds, gas giants, or something very different, reminding us that our own solar system once began the same way.